Hello from Seoul, South Korea. I've got a little bit of explaining to do. I better get on with it. Basically, I'm going to be here for the next few months. I'm here on an extended business trip for my other job. I mentioned that briefly in another video, but Spark Notes, I took another job in a completely different industry, primarily for the travel opportunities, but it's been really great. I really love having the balance of doing that and this, but now I'm in Seoul, which is great. I'm having a really good time. I only just got here though, so I've got a lot of the city to explore. While I'm here for the next few months, I want to bring you with me on all of these new adventures, but I do realise that most of my videos are all about the kind of things that you do from home, like room makeovers and DIYs. And although I can't do makeovers as I'm in an Airbnb, I really want to try and keep up the momentum with what I already do. So I want to be thrifting, and I think I'm going to try and book some cool, really interesting design Airbnbs in my time off that I could do like tours of. I don't know, it's still going to be similar, I just have to think outside the box a little bit. So I think this will be a really fun opportunity to try something new, but the room makeovers will be moving. I have ideas up my sleeve, and at some point this year, I've got to figure out what I'm doing next. I'm working on it. So there will be some kind of moving vlogs this year too. I want to show you what I did on my first day here because I needed to get settled in a bit, and I think you'll like this kind of stuff because it's all organisation based. I went to the Daiso and I got my together.
Good morning or good afternoon, I think. I'm not actually sure. The jet lag has kicked my butt this time around, and I didn't think it would, but I'm gonna try and get out today on my first day and really just have a slow day but get a few things done so that I feel a little bit more settled. I need to go to the Daiso to get some bits and pieces. I took one 23-kilogram suitcase with my carry-on luggage, and it's full of equipment for 2 different jobs, so I didn't bring as much as I wanted, but we made it. I'm gonna pop out and bring you with me and share the Daiso with you, because the Daiso is like the Korean Poundland or dollar store type of thing, and it is the best budget store in the whole world. Let's go and I'll share with you what it looks like.
I'm back and I spent 50,500 won, which sounds like a lot, but it is in dollars $40.34, and in pounds £32.30. And I got a lot of stuff, which I'll do a little haul, shall I? Let me start with the stationery. I picked up a pack of 3 notebooks for 2,001, which is probably like £1.30. I need these for work and YouTube and stuff. I just like having a physical notebook, and I couldn't carry any more in my case. I want to start writing letters to my friends, so I've been picking up stationery, and I found this little card, which is possibly a Valentine's card, but I don't care, it's cute. I also got a sticker set. It's got 2 sets of stickers in there. They're just little bears, look at them. This one right here is a vibe. I got some highlighters for work. They're 1,000, they're like the pastel kind. The main reason I went was to get stuff for getting a bit more organized, because as much as I love this Airbnb, it's
very short on storage. So because I'm here for a while, I thought I'd get a few plastic storage containers and hopefully be able to bring them back with me. I know I'm going to be bringing back another case because I want to bring presents and stuff for my friends. I got it because I think it will be really, really helpful. Let me show you. This one is my favorite. It's just a little clear drawer for like cosmetics and things, and it was $2,000, and that's going to be really helpful. I'm living out of little tiny makeup bags and pouches and things, but everything that was in my suitcase, and it's starting to get a little bit chaotic, and it's only been like a day. I also got these two. They were $1,000 each. I got this one and then a little cup for makeup brushes and things. Speaking of makeup brushes, I got a beauty blender holder so I can keep it on the counter without it getting dirty, and it's got air filtration in it as well. I got this box for storing things like camera equipment and stuff. And then I think I'll probably end up keeping most of my clothes in my suitcase because I can't unbox them, but I did want to get this, which is for like socks and bras and things. I don't want them like getting tangled in my suitcase. So I thought that'd be really handy. And if you can see behind me, there's a little coat rack there with 3 hangers on it. But I need to hang up a lot of my business clothes because I don't want them getting wrinkled. So I picked up a set of hangers for 1,001 so that I can actually hang a few things up. Let's get into some fun stuff. I stocked up on a few beauty items that I loved last time I was in Korea. These lashes from Daiso are so inexpensive and they're really natural looking. Last time I think I bought like 30 packets and I was very sad when I ran out. So I got 4 and I think this will keep me going for a little while. I'll be back here in September, so I don't need to get too many, but I might pick up a few more, who knows. I've been using falsies a lot recently and I've lost one. So I picked up a few packets. These are actually by Kiss, they're really cute. These ones are flowers, although they kind of look like fried eggs. I love that. I got 2 of those. And I got these green ones as well. And they were 5,000 each, which is probably like £3, which is so inexpensive because these in the UK are like 8. I do need to get one of those mini UV lamps, which I've been looking for anyway, so I will try and get one while I'm here. But yeah, I really like those. This is one of the other things that I knew I had to pick up. A water filtration system for the shower because apparently the water is really different here and it can make your hair thin if you're not used to it. So I just got like a basic one and you screw it onto the shower head. I also saw this, I thought this was really cool. It's like a hair fixer, like a little mascara wand, and it fixes flyaways, which is great because I have this little baby hair fringe going on that really drives me mad, so I thought I could try that. Oh, nail clippers. Conditioner, because I only brought shampoo by accident. I also got a bath towel because I think it's quite common in Korea to only use quite small towels, and you use it for the day and then you wash that towel, so you use it for everything. Hands, shower, everything, which is a good system, but I'm not used to it, so I bought a big towel. Bigger towel. It's not going to be huge, but I think it will be alright. Save the best for last. Stain remover pen. So exciting. These are really hard to find in the UK though, so I thought I'd get it. I am always dropping stuff on myself, so that will be handy for my handbag. Okay, that's it. I can't believe that was only like £30. I love Daiso. Now I need to get organised, so let's do that. The recycling system is really good here. You have to separate your plastics and cardboards, so I'm gonna put these away. There we go, all nice and organised. Oh, my tofu is icy. No! I don't know if this is lunch or dinner, but this is a very simple meal I made with 7-Eleven food. We've got microwave rice, tofu, I think that is radish leaf kimchi, and then egg. No avocado because it wasn't ripe enough. I think it'll be alright, but I would quite like some sauce. I forgot to get seaweed. Never mind. That's not bad. It's not like super plain. Okay, sauce would be nice, but we'll find some.
So, here we are. That was my first vlog in my temporary abode. I'm really excited to share this city with you. I want to do a lot more vlogging. I've got to get out of my comfort zone and actually make videos outside once in a while. I think that would be a really nice idea. And like I said earlier, I still want to do a lot of the home makeover kind of content as I move forward with this channel, but my life isn't going to be as stable anymore, so I need to figure out how I can fill the gaps when I'm doing stuff like this. I think what's happened over the past few years is I've niched myself into this one corner of the internet, and I'm such a people pleaser that I'm like, oh well, this is what people watch me for, so I cannot do anything different. And then I haven't been able to grow, which is kind of boring, and I've just got to accept that people change, and that includes me, and I want to share with you a little bit more of this really cool life I get to live. I am so blessed that I get to do YouTube and I get to do my other job and I get to travel the world, and like, what? So cool. And I actually think you might be seeing a lot more of me on YouTube in the coming months because I've got so much that I want to share with you. So yeah, I guess I will see you in my next one. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for sticking around. It means the world to me, and I can't wait to share with you some more. So, I'll see you next time. Bye!